So guys, yesterday I have already uploaded few recordings. Okay, Sanjeev ji. So definitely you will get today. Okay, 21st. Don't worry. You can check my YouTube channel. Definitely you will get today. Okay. So just give me a second. मैं सबको पैनलिस्ट में डाल के प्रमोट कर रहा हूँ so that you all will switch on your video. एवरीबॉडी जस्ट चेक इट आउट कि आपके पास अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, वीडियो का ऑप्शन आ रहा है. देखो, थोड़ा चेक करो. इफ यू आर गेटिंग दैट ऑप्शन, जस्ट टाइप मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स. जिन लोगों के पास ऑप्शन आया है वीडियो का, टाइप मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स. आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू इन पेनालिस्ट. ओके, सो वहाँ पे आप वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हो. ओके, अभी ऑन मत करना. जस्ट व्हेनेवर आई विल टेल यू तब करना. ठीक है. चेक एवरीबॉडी, आर यू गेटिंग ऑप्शन? यस. हाँ, क्या क्या लिखा है? हैप्पी सनशाइन टू एवरीबॉडी. गुड. Recording not started. Yes, we have started recording right now. Okay. Yes. Recording. Okay. Good. So here, just a minute. Just a minute. कितने लोग बाकी हैं? 6 लोग बाकी हैं. Everybody is in panelist right now. Okay. Now Gaurav is also in panelist. Okay. Good. So if you want, you can switch on your video. Okay. Switch on your video, guys. Just switch on your video for a minute. Okay, just you have to switch on your video. Switch on your video. Come on. Today is a second last day of our training. Okay, my voice is breaking. Yes, is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. So just switch on your video. Switch on your video. Come on, everybody, switch on your video. जिनको जिनको पॉसिबल है सभी लोग वीडियो स्विच ऑन करेंगे. गुड, गो अहेड. कम ऑन. 1 2 3 गो. वीडियो का ऑप्शन आ रहा है आप सभी को? नहीं आ रहा है ऑप्शन. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता यार. लेट मी सी. वेयर इज विद्या जी? वेयर इज रुकिए, एरर आ रहा है ना. रुकिए. संजीव कुमार. ओके, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो ठीक है, नहीं ऑन किया वीडियो, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट यूर डे विथ फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, एज इट इज और यू नो. देखो, सूर्यका पाटिल जी ने कर लिया अनम्यूट, है ना? अनम्यूट हो रहा है. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. ओके. So start your day with full of energy. Okay, start your day with full of energy. होस्ट डिसेबल ऐसे दिखा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Same issue. You cannot start your video because the host has disabled it.
ओके ओके, अलाउ पैनलिस्ट. अभी देखो, अभी एक बार चेक करो. नाउ चेक.
Same here, sir.
अभी 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 हो गए सबके ऑन. गुड 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 एवरीबॉडी. गुड गुड.
Yes, sir.
सबके ऑन हो गए अभी. देखो, ठीक है. चलो, Very nice. So good morning everyone.
गुड
Morning,
मॉर्निंग
sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग विथ फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. मोबाइल को सामने रखो और अपने हाथों को जस्ट जॉइन योर बोथ द हैंड्स इफ इट इज पॉसिबल फॉर यू. मोबाइल को सामने रख के जॉइन योर बोथ द हैंड्स. ओके. विद्या जी हो रहा है कि नहीं आपका? विद्या जी, हाँ एवरीबॉडी. चलो आरती जाधव, विद्या मैडम, ओके गुड एवरीबॉडी. संजीव कुमार, यस. सृष्टि, कम ऑन. So just join your both the hand and do like this. Okay, come on, fast, fast, fast. Okay, good. अपना ऑडियो को बंद रखना है. Okay, yes. So, full of energy. Join your, start your day with full of energy. Okay, do like this. Okay, yes. And one more time, say like this. Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning, everybody. Okay, good, good, good. Yes. Now, okay. Mahendra Singh Patil, Anjali Gawai, Ashmi, good Ashmi, Harish Chandra Chitnis, okay, Kalidas Ji Roti, Sanjeev Kumar, Srushti, Vidya Ji, Supriya, Arsud, good, good, good. Good, everybody. Yes. So today our task is what? What we are going to do today? We are going to listen few videos. Okay. आप सभी लोग नोटबुक और पेन लेके बैठे होंगे, राइट? यू ऑल आर रेडी विथ नोटबुक एंड पेन, आई होप सो, राइट? एवरीबॉडी इज रेडी? यस, गुड गुड गुड. Yes, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, what you need to do, I will play few videos for you. Okay? आपको कुछ वीडियोस यहाँ पे दिखाए जाएंगे, ठीक है? वो उसे आपको ध्यान से सुनना है. नॉर्मल वीडियो, रैंडम वीडियो, any random video from YouTube. I will pick up any random video from YouTube. Okay? You should just listen to that video very, very carefully. Okay? And you should find out the new words. Okay, you should find out new words from that video, right? New words जो आपने पहले नहीं सुने हैं, या if you are not aware about any word which is in that video, so उसे आपको लिखना है जो भी आप कैच कर पाओ, right? Obviously वीडियो चलेगा, so whichever word you can catch it out, जैसे आपको कैच करना है और उसे लिखना है. ओके ओके एवरीवन. सो चलो, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स भी दिख गए मुझे आज सभी. गुड गुड गुड, एंड दैट्स ऑसम, दैट्स ऑसम. ओके, सो हियर इज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड. ओके, हु, हाँ यस, वेयर इज विद्या जी? विद्या सरोदे. हु इज विद्या सरोदे? कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ? विद्या मैडम, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ? विद्या सरोदे, वेयर इज शी? I can't find her in this because I have here 34 people are in front of me. Okay, 34 people in front of me. Okay, I don't find her. Okay, no problem. Let's start. Okay, chalo. Now you can switch off your video if you want. Okay, at the end of the at the end of the session, we'll do again this activity. Okay, we'll do again this activity. Now, what we are going to do tomorrow, that is also important. Okay, tomorrow I will give you online certifications. Okay, so those who are regular, though who are regular in this training, all people will get certification tomorrow. You will have a different link tomorrow. Okay, आपको ये लिंक से ज्वाइन नहीं करना है, दूसरे लिंक से कल ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, वो लिंक आपको ग्रुप में मिलेगा, आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. अगर आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में नहीं है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू शुड बी देयर एट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके, जैसे हम फिजिकली सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं इन फिजिकल सेशन, जैसे हम सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं, बाकी के लोग क्लैपिंग करते हैं, सेम यहाँ पे व्यू रहेगा. ओके, एवरीबॉडी, यू कैन वॉच एवरीबॉडी. सो हम किसी एक का नाम लेंगे, बाकी के लोग उसे, सारे लोग उसे ग्रीट करेंगे, राइट? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Okay, so tomorrow we'll have that certification ceremony also, and we'll have our last day of this session. Okay, and then we'll decide what to do. Don't worry about that. Yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Now, let's have a few videos in front of us. So, shall we start a day? Yes. Come on.
Yes.
So, here we are at YouTube. Okay. ये YouTube में है हम अभी. ठीक है. This is the YouTube in front of you. Okay. So, I hope everybody has switched off their videos. I will also switch off my video so that we will get better clarity. Yes. Today I will tell you why for last 29 days. Today I will tell you why for last 29 days I played only one song, that is, जो song आप रोज सुनते हो, right? Okay, वो क्यों मैंने प्ले किया, उसमें क्या ऐसा समथिंग है, कुछ तो है उस सॉन्ग में. सो वो आपसे मैं शेयर करूंगा. ओके, सो हियर आर फ्यू वीडियो. वन इज फ्रॉम गौर गोपाल दास. अलग अलग लोगों के वीडियो में प्ले करूंगा. ठीक है. नाउ जस्ट आई विल प्ले दिस वीडियो एंड यू शुड लिसन टू दिस वीडियो. आर यू रेडी गाइज? If you are ready, type ready in comment box. If you're ready, type ready in comment box. Good. Ashmi, I have seen your message. You have, given a very nice feedback, awesome feedback. Just I want to tell you one thing. आपने starting में ही बोला myself, okay? And मैंने भी starting में आपको बोला था कि myself use नहीं करना है. Got it, Ashmi? Ashmi? सो अभी ध्यान रखना, नेक्स्ट टाइम माई सेल्फ नहीं लिखना है अश्मी हमें. ओके, माई सेल्फ नहीं लिखना. क्या लिखना है हमें? माई नेम इज और आई एम. ओके, यस, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. बाकी आपका पूरा फीडबैक दैट वाज ऑसम. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. यस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस. 1 2 3 एंड गो. लिसन very very carefully. Write down all the words which you think it is new for you. Okay, so let's start.
There was a materially poor man who once approached a sage. Some say.
Just a minute, I will make the screen large. Okay, बड़ी स्क्रीन में आपके लिए करता हूँ. ओके, आवाज क्लियर है? सबको बताना. मुझे नहीं है तो मुझे इसमें बताना आपने.
There was a materially poor man who once. There was a materially poor man who once approached a sage. Some say it was the Buddha, and asked him, "Why am I so poor?" The Buddha answered, "Probably because you don't practice generosity. Probably because you don't practice charity." Amused and a little upset by the response, the man challenged, "Charity? I don't have anything. How can I practice charity?" The sage replied, "Who said you don't have anything? You have 5 treasures with you that you can definitely share with others and give to others. Firstly, you have your smile, which you can share with others. It's free and it's awesome, and it has an amazing impact on others. Secondly, you have your eyes. You can look at others with eyes full of love and concern and make them feel cared for. Third, you have your tongue. With your tongue, you can speak kind, encouraging, appreciative, uplifting words and make people feel valued and inspired. You can spread joy and positivity using your tongue. And then you have your heart. With your loving heart, you can wish well for others and pray for the well-being.
Sound is very low. People are saying
You
voice.
possess the treasure of your body.
No sound
With
is
this
there.
body, you can serve
Okay,
others,
don't worry,
do good
don't worry.
deeds, help people in need, help.
We'll play next video, don't worry. इसका आवाज देखिए.
What is the most selfish one-lettered word? Wow, what a audience that is to tell me. The most selfish one-lettered word. I, isn't it? Everything revolves around I. Everything revolves around the I. And what does I stand for? I stands for expectations. Apekshaएं, मेरी अपेक्षाएं, my expectations. I should be treated like this. I should be loved like this. I should be dealt with like this. I should be respected like this. All expectation. अपेक्षाओं की जिंदगी जी रहे हैं हम लोग सब. We're all living a life of super high expectations, not just high. We're all leading a life of super high expectations. God, constantly life is only everything revolves around my opinions, my desires, my likes, my dislikes. I like this, I don't like this, I hate this, I love this, I want this, I don't want this. I. खुश रहेंगे? You think life will be a very happy life when it revolves around I? From our childhood we have grown up like this. We've only learned to take, and everyone has to fulfill my expectations. Everything has to be up to my expectations. When I was a child, I usually wouldn't even eat if my mom did not cook what I asked for. You know, everything has to revolve around my expectation. One boy comes to a mother and says, Mama, I love you. 5-year-old, 5 साल का बच्चा. Mama, I love you. Mother said, I love you too, beta. The guy grew up to be 16. Goes to the mother, Mama, I love you. कितना पैसा चाहिए बोल? He grows up to be 25. Mama, I love you. कौन है, किधर रहती है, बता दे, हम अरेंज कर देंगे, बता दे. He turns to be 40. Mama, I love you. बोला था ना शादी मत कर उससे. He turns 60. 60. Mama, I love you. मैं किसी भी पेपर पे साइन नहीं करूंगी, तू जा. माँ है ना, जानती है. Mother knows. Everything is for me only. 16 years old, my money. 25-year-olds, my girl. 40 years old, my wife. 60 years old, my property. Life ही ऐसा जिया है. हमेशा अपनी इच्छाएं, अपनी अपेक्षाएं, अपने opinions को पकड़ के बैठे हैं हम लोग. And you think religion is spared? If youngsters are not spared, girlfriends and boyfriends are not spared, married people are not spared, you think religious men and religious people coming to a temple are spared from the eye? I don't think so. Therefore, when people come to God, people come to a temple also, they're only asking, give me what I want. No one comes to say, I love you, I want to give you. When the President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, came up to his stage for his first presidential speech, his voice rumbled into the public address system when he said, ask not what the country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country. And so we are saying, ask not what God can do for you. Ask what you can do for God. But no one asks that. Because the I is so big, my expectations, my desires, my things are so powerful that even when I come to a temple and ring a bell, all I'm doing is asking. The more we lead a life of I, our I will always be frustrated. Because people don't exist in this world to just fulfill your expectations. What do you think? People are all existing in the world just to fulfill your expectations? That's what you think? Sorry to say. Wait for a while, you will learn that they don't. Friends don't. Family doesn't. सब अपनी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण करने के लिए थोड़ी जन्म लिए हैं. Do not ever give the control of how you feel to someone else. Do not allow anyone to remote control you. Control your television's remote controlled. No problem. Your cars can be remote controlled. Don't allow anyone to control your emotions from there. हम लोग अपेक्षाएं करते हैं कि एक प्रकार का व्यवहार हमारे साथ होगा, ऐसे नहीं होता ना, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं हम. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the most selfish one-lettered word is I, which stands for expectations, and therefore avoid this word. How do you avoid this word? Be realistic in your expectations. अपेक्षाएं करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, but understand that not everyone will fulfill your expectation. याद रखिए कि सब लोग आपकी अपेक्षाओं को पूर्ण नहीं करेंगे. And secondly, avoid this word I by trying to serve others. You know why? Because when you want to be served, you're dependent on people. They may not serve you. When you want to serve, who can stop you? When you want respect, people may not respect you. But when you want to give respect, who can stop you? When you want to be loved, you may not be loved. But when you want to give love, who can stop you? And therefore, learn to begin your journey from I to you. The more you want for yourself, you'll remain frustrated. The more you want to give, you will remain happy.
Okay, got everybody? Yes, how was the video? What was the learning? How was the video? What was the learning? The most selfish one-lettered word, which is that? Which is that? I. Good. So now here, how many people have noted down few words from this video? How many words you have noted down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. How many words you have noted down from this video? 7 word, 1 word, good, 1 only. 9, good, awesome, good, 1. Okay. Few people are engaged. Few people are engaged to listen that video, right? हम engage हो गए थे सुनने में. Yes. Yes, Aarti has showing, she has written down more than 10 words, I think, right? More than 10 words. 10 to 10 or 12 words. Good. Good. Awesome, Aarti. Yes. So now what rumbled? Yes. See, there are so many words. Now what you have to do? Just note down over there video 1. Okay. Title. Give the title to those words. Video 1. Okay. Now we are going to play video 2. Okay. So what you need to do today, whatever words you have just collected from that video, you have to find out the meanings for those words. Okay. Today only you have to find out the meanings of those words. Okay. And you just have to write down the meaning of those words after the class. Okay. After the class you have to do it. Okay. Next, अभी हम next video सुनेंगे. Okay. That would be from next person. ठीक है. Ready? Okay. Can anybody wants to elaborate this video in your language, whatever language you speak, Marathi, Hindi, English? Do you want to elaborate in just 1 minute? Ki, what was the moral of that video? What was the, we can say, thought behind that video? Can anybody wants to share? Yes, Chitnis ji. हाँ सर, चिटनीस सर, आपको मैं अलाउ करता हूँ. You can just share your thought in 1 minute only, okay? Because we have to go ahead. हाँ, yes, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I is the most used word, which is
Okay.
for expectation.
Hmm.
Most of the times we expect from others, but we don't behave as we expect with other peoples.
Exactly.
Every time we just want the things from others only, but we never think of to give it to others.
Exactly.
If we try to uh, render some help or render some money or render some type of activity to others, then same will come to you automatically. For
Yes.
example, as you are teaching as an honorary basis, don't
Yes.
charging any fee, and the people's, then same uh, wishes will come to you automatically,
Yes.
and it will give pleasure to us.
Definitely. Definitely. Yes. 100%.
Nothing can be compared. Money cannot be only the matter all the time.
Mm,
Happiness is not compared with the money.
good.
If you give something to others, it that happiness what you will get will not be purchased by money. So
Of
don't
course.
expect only everything will come to me, but try to give some also, some to others also, whatever you have.
Yes. Yes.
It is not matter how big it is, only small thing you can give, and see the happiness or the blessings those peoples will give it to you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank
That
you.
is the moral I understood from this video.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shitni sir. Thank you so much. Now, people, the thing is, you have to understand whatever you have. Okay, sir said whatever you have. Whatever you have means if you give a small smile, if you give a small smile to someone, if somebody is very frustrated, very depressed in his life, he is very feeling, he is feeling down or she is feeling down. If you give him a smile, okay, smile, so that is also your contribution in his life, right? That is also your contribution in his life, and that would also give you happiness because you want to give happiness to that person from bottom of your heart, right? Have you visited any orphanage home or any place where you should donate something? क्या आपने कभी विजिट किया है किसी आश्रम को, किसी ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे बच्चे वगैरह रहते हैं, ऐसी कोई जगह पे आपने विजिट किया है कभी? कितने लोगों ने किया है? टाइप मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स, कितने लोगों ने विजिट किया है ऐसी जगह पे? ओके, whenever we visit things like this, visit places like this, okay, okay, बहुत से लोगों ने किया है, विद्या जी, कालिदास जी, आरती जादव, चिटनी सर, गुड। सो हम जब जब ऐसी प्लेसेस पे विजिट करते हैं, what we feel, what we feel more happiness, right? We feel like कि ये जो आज का जो एक्सपीरियंस था, ओके, जब मैं किसी जगह पे जाता हूँ और वो जब एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, देखा होगा आपने, बहुत से लोग रास्ते पे जो भिखारी बैठे होते हैं उन्हें कुछ देने की कोशिश करते हैं, कंबल बांटते हैं ना, ब्लैंकेट्स वगैरह वो बांटते हैं, बहुत से लोग उन्हें खाना देते हैं। why they are doing it? Why I am asking you why? The reason behind that, whenever we are giving something to someone, that gives us 100 times return, right? And that is the thing. आप खुद जाओ, अपने फैमिली को लेकर जाओ, या फिर आप खुद कहीं पर जाओ, ठीक है, एंड यू स्पेंड 1,000 or 2,000 रुपीज, आप मूवी देखने जाओ, कहीं बाहर जाओ, 1,000-2,000 रुपए खर्चा करो, आने के बाद फिर से कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगेगा यार कुछ तो बाकी है ना, कुछ तो बाकी है, ऐसा हम फील करेंगे। बट इफ यू विजिट एनी प्लेस जहाँ पे हंड्रेड्स और पीपल, जैसे कि मैं बहुत से ऑर्फनेज होम में जाता हूँ जहाँ पे बहुत से बच्चे होते हैं जो हमारा वेट करते हैं, राइट? वहां पे अगर उनके लिए कुछ करते हैं, वहां से वापस आने के बाद की फीलिंग आप देखना कैसे रहेगी। वहां से वापस आने के बाद वाली जो फीलिंग होती है, दैट्स अमेजिंग, ओके, दैट्स टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ओके। व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव डिड समथिंग फॉर अदर्स, राइट? वी हैव डिड समथिंग फॉर अदर्स। जब हम दूसरों के लिए कुछ करते हैं तो उसका फीलिंग completely different है, okay? You cannot buy that feeling, you cannot buy that happiness, okay? कितना भी पैसा खर्चा कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, you cannot buy this, Okay, so that is the thing, that is what Guruji have explained in that video. क्योंकि हम हमेशा आई के भीतर ही घूमते रहते हैं ना, मुझे ये, मुझे वो, मैं ऐसा, मैं वैसा, whatever, है ना. लेकिन जो भी हमें what we expect in our life, we have to learn that कि वो हम चीजें दूसरों को देना शुरू करें, राइट. ये लेक्चर सुनने में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट whenever the time comes to perform those things in our life, practical life, तो थोड़ा हम पीछे हट जाते हैं, राइट. सो ध्यान रखिएगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम से पीछे नहीं हटना है. ओके, गॉट इट गाइस. On their faces smile give us happiness. Yes, yes, of course. Service is my currency, so that give us energy and happiness. Yes, it's, yes, because they are also, ha, okay. Whatever you want, Ashmi said very nicely, if you want happiness, we need to give happiness. Whatever you want, you have to think first that I will give it to the society, I will give it to the universe. मैं बहुत से बार अपने लेक्चर्स में कहता हूँ, जो अलग अलग लेक्चर्स होते हैं उसमें बहुत से बार मैंने ये कहा है कि if you want money, give money first. If you want knowledge, give knowledge first. If you want help, give help. If you want love, if you want to be loved, just start loving people. Okay? आप अगर चाहते हो कि लोग आपसे प्यार करें, तो आप लोगों से प्यार करना शुरू करो पहले. Automatically it will come in thousands way. Okay? Okay? Got it? Yes. Next. So next video is there in front of you, and that is from Beer Biceps. Okay? So वो थोड़ा अलग वीडियो रहेगा. So यहाँ पे एक वीडियो हम आपके सामने शेयर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. जो छोटा होगा वही हम बात करेंगे, सो दैट. ओके, ये पहला वाला ही लेते, इट्स अ स्मॉल वीडियो.
फिट रहना है तो बनाओ प्रोटीन का रोटी. हे अक्षय, कम इन. इंटरव्यू के लिए थैंक्स. ओह वाओ, एक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर और बास्केटबॉल चैंपियन भी. आपके इस फिट रहने का.
Today, I think Jeff Bezos.
Guys, listen the video very carefully. Okay, again write down few words from this video. Again write down few words from video. Just observe the style. Observe the style of speaking English. Okay, how these people are speaking. Okay, just observe that style. Okay, कहाँ पे ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, कहाँ पे आवाज बढ़ा रहे हैं, कहाँ पे कम करे. Just observe that. Okay, just start. 1, 2, 3 and go.
Bezos's net worth crossed $200 billion. What can a kid sitting in a village in India that you've never heard of, what can that kid learn from Jeff Bezos in terms of a mindset, and that which he can adopt if he has to become the Bezos of India?
If there's one thing Amazon.com is about, it's obsessive attention to the customer experience.
That's a very good question. I think all the billionaires who have become billionaires have become big through very basic principles of life, right? And understanding how things work, right? And understanding is not responsibility of your teacher. Understanding the world and how it operates is your responsibility. And if you're waiting that अरे यार parents बोलेंगे तो पढ़ाई करेंगे, या फिर कोई teacher बोलेगा तो पढ़ाई करेंगे, या coaching classes, like our biggest curse of this country, we're all getting coaching classes to solve a super dumb exam, super dumb hacks, and then we think we are smart when we have understood nothing. Yep. And I would say that very simple thing is, you are not going to make it big if you do not understand. Not when you score marks, when you do not understand what is the business, what is the principles of the business. How many people are curious about understanding like Jio kaise chalta hai, right? What is the revenue model? What is the average ARPU? We don't know these words also. And are we waiting for education system to teach us this stuff? Because by the time you get bigger and go to college, all these words are irrelevant anyways, and you feel like a 20 साल का पुराना syllabus सिखा रहे हैं, right? Because is our entrepreneurs building education institutes? No. So they are already way ahead on some of these things, right? So many Stanford courses are available free on YouTube. I sometimes see 5,000 videos view on it. I'm like, ये gold पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं आ रहा है. And I think all of us, all of us become smarter not through our colleges, by watching content, constantly having this need कि यार ये कैसे improve करें, ये कैसे improve करें. We are constantly searching. In fact, it's funny, the word how, H-O-W, if you look at Google Trends, in last 5 years, 10 years, the word has declined on searches. कोई how search नहीं करता.
Wow. Shit.
Right? And the thing is, but there is so much more to figure out. I search for almost every how, कि कैमरा कैसे सेटअप करना है, ये बैडमिंटन में ये कैसे खेलना है, और ग्लास के अंदर ये फॉग कैसे निकालना है. I search for everything, right? The point is the need and curiosity is just not there, and we are very happy getting our status from this TikTok videos and likes, and कहीं और चले गए हम, right? And the problem of likes is that not everybody can make it big. Right? We forget that no matter what we are, see, in a country with low trust, there is always going to be 25 companies who will have all the profit, 25 Bollywood guys will have all the profits, 25 apps that will have all the users, right? The thing is, you have to really break out and create new territories, right? Who's more popular in India? Bollywood star or entrepreneurs? So what will you desire to be? You will desire to be the cool guy like a Bollywood star. You don't want to be an entrepreneur because it's not cool to be an entrepreneur, right? We've not made them heroes yet. And I'm telling you this yet. And I think that's the one interesting thing, that we have to be very sure what we want. We've made a lot of people popular because of being politicians. So a lot of people want to be politicians. They like to go and college politics, because again, status, right? And the point is that we fundamentally have wrong role models. Now the question is, do we want to become a wealth-driven society? It is the question that we need to answer. And if we are, then we need to make them the heroes, right? We need to make people who create wealth heroes. We need to encourage employees to have stocks in the companies that they work for. We don't have those concepts. We don't even understand these concepts. How many people are participating in stock market? 20 million people in 1.3 billion people, right? Mutual fund 25-30 million dollar लिया है maximum अब तक. The point is that wealth ही नहीं समझ में आएगा, shares नहीं समझ में आता है, capitalism नहीं समझ में आता है. Then how are we playing this game?
Got it, guys? Yes. So how many words you have got from this video? How many word you got from this video? Done? Good. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 4. Good. 3, 2, 2. Okay. संजीव जी कितने मिले आपको? 3 वर्ड. गुड. वैशाली नाइक 15. गुड. मोनिका तेलगोटे 5. विद्याराणी 3. नंदिनी ताले 3. पोको 2. Sanjeev ji 2, 3. Kalidas ji wrote it. Good. Now you know what you have to do with those words. You have to just find out the meaning of those words, and finding out meaning is very simple nowadays. Okay, just go to Google and find out the meaning. Okay, type the word, and in front of that word just find, like, the word is rampled meaning in Marathi, Hindi, whatever you want. ठीक है, एंड उसके नीचे देखो कि क्या उसका मीनिंग है, एंड जस्ट नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक कि उसका मीनिंग क्या है. ओके, एंड ट्राई टू मेक वन सेंटेंस. ओके, ट्राई टू मेक वन सेंटेंस ऑफ दैट along with that word. Okay, क्योंकि whenever you made sentence with that word, so it will be in your mind for forever, right? Yeah, so got it. Who is speaker? He's I don't know who is speaker. Just a minute. That guy, one guy, he's Ranveer. Okay, that another guy is Ranveer, and the first one is Kunal Shah. I think he's entrepreneur from the India, the biggest entrepreneur from the India. So what he said, Shah, yeah, Kunal Shah. What he said exactly? He said, in India, celebrities are popular, right? लोग सेलिब्रिटी की तरह बनना चाहते हैं, एंड दैट इज द रीजन आर यूथ वांट टू बी ए सेलिब्रिटी. वो सेलिब्रिटी की तरह बनना चाहते हैं, दैट इज द रीजन दे आर लिविंग अ लाइफ इन दैट स्टाइल. बट नो वन वांट्स टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योर. ओके, नो वन वांट टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योर. कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं बनना चाहता, इसीलिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फेमस इन आवर कंट्री. ओके, सो उस उनके जैसा कोई बनना नहीं चाहता, एंड दैट इज द रीजन हमारा यूथ जो है वो ज्यादा जॉब्स की तरफ जा रहा है, वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की तरफ नहीं जा रहा है. एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स दे हैव डिस्कस. रॉन्ग रोल मॉडल. यस, दे सेड लाइक कि पहले ही हम टारगेट ही अगर गलत रखते हैं, है ना, टारगेट ही हमारा गलत है, सो हम पहुंचेगी ऑब्वियसली गलत जगह पे, राइट? सो वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. फ्यू मेनी यंगस्टर विथ अस, लाइक many people from Shegao, Ashmi, many young students are also with us, so they have to think about it. So what you need to do, it should be very very clear what you need to achieve in your life, what you need, what you want to do in your life. Okay, so your goal should be clear. Okay, because हमारे what from what background I came, जिस बैकग्राउंड से हम आते हैं, जिस सोसाइटी से हम आते हैं, वहाँ पे बच्चों को पता ही नहीं होता. अप टू द एज ऑफ 25 दे इवन नॉट अवेयर दैट कि उन्हें करना क्या है लाइफ में, राइट? दैट इवन दे आर नॉट अवेयर, इवन देयर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अवेयर. किसी शर्मा जी के बच्चे ने इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया, बेटा तू भी इंजीनियरिंग कर ले. कोई वर्मा जी के बच्चे ने एमबीबीएस कर लिया, या कोई किसी का नंबर किसी और जगह पे लग गया, है ना, सो उसने 11वीं 12वीं साइंस कर ली, तो आप भी साइंस कर लो. कुछ देखना नहीं है हमें, है ना, कुछ नई चीजों में ट्राई नहीं करना है. यू नो, इफ यू बिलोंग्स टू मराठी फैमिली, देन ही सेड बिजनेस इज नॉट फॉर अस. मराठी लोग बिजनेस नहीं कर सकते, एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. रॉन्ग बिलीफ सिस्टम that is also there. Okay, so ये सारी चीजें है, बट वी विल चेंज दिस ऑल थिंग्स, है ना. सिर्फ इनके बारे में बात नहीं करना है हमें, वी हैव टू टेक एक्शन फॉर दैट. ओके, हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टीचर्स है, जैसे कि आरती टीचर है, कालिदास जी रोटे सर जो है वो सोशल कॉज के लिए बहुत काम करते हैं. ओके, विद्या रानी मैडम वो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाती है. ओके, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट भी हमारे यहाँ पे है. सो नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू guys, we need to act for this. Okay, जो भी हमसे बन पड़ता है, 20-25 लोगों को भी हम सुधार पाए, that's also enough, right? बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है हमारे लिए. अगर हम 20-25 लोगों को भी सुधार पाते हैं, so that is also a big achievement for us, because वो 25 लोग सामने जाके और 25 लोगों को सिखाएंगे, right? और 25 लोगों को अच्छा करेंगे, right? That should be our mission, that should be our goal. Got it guys? समझ रहे हो सब लोग? Now आरती इज ऑल्सो टीचर, है ना, वो उनके पास जो स्टूडेंट आते हैं, आज जो बातें आरती ने यहाँ से सीखी है या फिर यहाँ से समझी है, कहीं ना कहीं वो बातें उनके कम्युनिकेशन में आएंगी ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, उनके स्टूडेंट्स तक पहुंचेंगी, राइट? सो ऐसे होता है. यस, yes, good. Blindly following the set of path, nobody want to create new path. Yes, वो एक सेंटेंस है. ओके, वी आर नॉट, है ना, वो एक सेंटेंस है, ध्यान से सुनना इस सेंटेंस को. किसी एक स्पीकर ने कहा था, मुझे नाम याद नहीं, बट ही सेड हमारे पास ऐसे लोग हैं जो ट्रेंड फॉलोअर है। क्या है? हमारे पास ऐसे लोग हैं जो ट्रेंड फॉलोअर है, ना कि ट्रेंड सेटर है। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? ट्रेंड फॉलोअर है, ना कि ट्रेंड सेटर है। वो ट्रेंड जो चलता है उसे फॉलो करते हैं, ना कि खुद का एक ट्रेंड सेट करते हैं, है ना? नाउ वी हैव टू बी ए ट्रेंड सेटर, नॉट अ ट्रेंड फॉलोअर। ओके, ट्रेंड सेटर बनना है हमें, ट्रेंड फॉलोअर नहीं। कोई 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 इंसान अगर कोई चीज कर रहा है उसे फॉलो, अच्छे ऑब्वियसली फॉलो करो, नॉट नॉट एन इशू अबाउट दैट। ओके, नॉट एन इशू अबाउट दैट, but try to be unique, try to be set your own trend. Okay, try to do that thing, whatever you want to do, whatever you like to do, whatever you love to do. Okay, बस कोई और कर रहा है इसीलिए हम भी भागे जा रहे हैं उस रेस में, never. Okay, got it? Blindly following the path, he said, break out and create new territories. Exactly, break out all those territories, है ना? उसी में जी रहे हैं हम। break out all those territory and make some new territory. Okay, make some new, path, make some new word, right, for us. Good, obviously, good, awesome. Somebody, yes, those are not 25. Yeah, 25 families, of course, yes. We all are candles will show in our service market, definitely. Okay, good. So, yes. Anything else you would like to ask? We'll go for a last video for today, and then we'll. That video is from Sadhguru. Okay, just listen to this video. Okay, this is the last video for the day. Okay, this is the last video for the day. Okay, and guys, what you need to do, you just have to put all the words with sentences or with meaning in the group. Just click a photo and post in the group. ये देखो, try this trick. Okay, let's listen to this video very, very carefully. Okay,
no matter what type of business you have, you can launch online sales.
Your own ghosts have become so big that you want to fight them. If you win, you're really lost. Because something that is not true, if you fight and win it, you have really lost it, isn't it? Don't identify any thought as negative because it's just a thought. Who told you it's negative? It's just a thought. You're making it up, maybe you like it. What's the problem? If you understand it's just a thought, it has no power. If you think it's a reality, then it destroys you. The word thinking means you're exercising your thought process consciously, isn't it? Yes? Thinking means you are doing something consciously. Right now this is in a state of mental diarrhea, it's just pouring all the time. Now, what is negative about it, what is positive about it? What is negative is, it's happening unconsciously, that is what is negative, not the content. You thought about a devil, that's negative, you thought about a god, that is positive, there's no such thing. The most negative thing that's happening right now is it's happening unconsciously. That is what is negative about it. It's your thought. You must be able to throw it and roll it back whenever you want, isn't it? You must be able to roll it out and roll it in as you want. But right now, your own ghosts have become so big that you want to fight them. If you win, you're really lost. Because something that is not true, if you fight and win it, you have really lost it. If you don't learn how to handle your thought and emotion, you're already 30, 40, 50 years of age, when are you going to learn? Now, what is your lifespan? 1,000,000 years, is it? You just leave people alone by themselves. They are a big issue by themselves. When you're alone, if you're miserable, you're obviously in bad company, isn't it? Hello? So if you don't settle this, if you step out, it looks like you're working for a solution, but when you are a problem, you'll only spread problems. So the process of what you call as spiritual is not a psychological process. It's a life process. To do this, we do many things here and you might have seen people in the ashram walking around with those orange tags. You've seen the silence tags people are wearing. Just shut up. Because shutting your mouth is only half the job. To become silent is possible only when you do not think much of yourself. If you think, I'm smart, how can you shut up? If you realize that you're actually stupid, you don't know anything in this existence, then you can simply look at life with great sense of wonder, without a thought appearing in your mind. Because the moment you think there is some value to what you think, then you can't stop it. No way to stop it. It'll just go on and on and on. When you see there is absolutely no life value to your thought process, it is just memory recycling itself. It's just the same old nonsense recycling itself. But if you're excited, if you're enamored by this recycle, if you think it's great, you cannot stop it. If you see the patterns of what it is, if you see the stupidity of what it is, then slowly you will distance yourself and it'll collapse.
Okay? Yes. So everybody, now we'll do the last activity of the day. We'll do the last activity of the day and then we'll wrap up the day 30, okay? So, yes, everyone is ready? Everyone is ready for the last activity, okay? If possible, you can switch on your video right now, no problem about that. If you want, you can switch on your video, okay? Yes. Yes, if you want, you can switch on your video. We'll do the last activity of this day, okay? Today, the day was little bit spiritual, okay? We have learned so many things, okay, from this in this last 1 hour, okay, because that is also very, very important for us. Today, my motto was not to teach you, not to, explain you more about English, but because see, one thing I have understood in this last 6 months, that technical knowledge or any skill or any knowledge you can get from anywhere, right? From anywhere. Because if you search on Google, if you go on Google, you will get so many things, right? Knowledge is already there on the Google or on many platforms, right? But you will not get that, that kind of mindset which is needed to settle yourself, right? To settle yourself. You will get answers, okay? You will get answers for many things. But you will not get that kind of mindset to understand that answer that you need to develop, right? That you need to develop. Okay. So there are so many things which I want to discuss, but let it be. Today we'll end up this session with the small activity, and that activity goes like this. Okay, I will play one music. Okay, just whatever I will instruct you right now, just follow all those instructions. Just a minute. Okay. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Yes. Now, what you need to do, just नाउ सबका वीडियो ऑन है ऑफ है, नो प्रॉब्लम अबाउट दैट. ओके, जैसा भी है वैसा रखिए. मोबाइल को अपने बाजू में रख सकते हैं आप. ओके, एंड जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज. जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज गाइज. जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज and follow my instruction. Just close your eyes wherever you are. Just close your eyes and listen to this music very, very carefully. Okay. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath 3 times. Take a deep breath. Just inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. Inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. Just make sure that your mind is empty. Just observe all the thoughts coming to your mind. उन्हें सिर्फ देखना है. जो भी थॉट्स आपके माइंड में आ रहे हैं, जो भी विचार आपके मस्तिष्क में आ रहे हैं, उन्हें सिर्फ देखो एंड स्माइल. जस्ट स्माइल फॉर दोज थॉट्स. Now just observe the breathing pattern. जो आपका breathing pattern है उसे आपको observe करना है. Just observe your breathing pattern. Okay? Just observe your breathing pattern. किस तरह से आप सांस ले रहे हो, आपकी सांस लेने की गति क्या है. Okay? Just observe that. Now just think about your childhood days. अपने बचपन के दिनों को याद करो. जब आप बहुत छोटे थे, जब आप स्कूल जाया करते थे, उन दिनों को याद करो. Just remember all those days. Just remember your first day of the school. Just remember to have purchased new clothes. आपने एक नया स्कूल ड्रेस खरीदा है, स्कूल बैग खरीदा है. You know, you were very, very, very happy on the first day of your school. याद करो आपके सारे स्कूल फ्रेंड्स को जिनको आपने पहले देखा था. Try to remember them. Try to remember their faces. Remember your school gate. Remember कि आपको कौन स्कूल छोड़ने आया था. Your mom, your dad, whoever is that. Just remember that person. Now Once again, just watch your thoughts. अपने विचारों को देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, क्या विचार आपके मस्तिष्क में आ रहे हैं, उन्हें देखो, स्माइल करो एंड जस्ट लेट इट बी. छोड़ दो. ट्राई टू लीव दोज थॉट्स. नाउ जस्ट थिंक अबाउट ऑल द हैप्पी मोमेंट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ. जो भी आपके लाइफ में अभी तक के हैप्पी मोमेंट्स थे, उन्हें अपने नजर के सामने, अपनी आंखों के सामने लाने की कोशिश करो इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ पिक्चर्स. आपने कोई नई चीज खरीदी होगी, आपको कभी कुछ प्राइज मिला होगा, आपको किसी ने अप्रिशिएट किया होगा, आपको किसी ने अच्छा कहा होगा, आपकी वजह से किसकी लाइफ में चेंज आया होगा, किसी ने आपको दिल से थैंक यू कहा होगा. जस्ट रिमेंबर ऑल द हैप्पी मोमेंट्स जब आपको बहुत दिल से खुशी हुई थी. वो पल याद करो, पलों को अपनी आंखों के सामने लेकर आओ. जस्ट सी ऑल दोस पिक्चर्स. वो सारे पिक्चर्स देखो, वो सारी इमेजेस देखो जहां पर आप मुस्कुरा रहे हो, आप हंस रहे हो. यू आर मोर देन हैप्पी. जो आप यूजुअल होते हो उससे बहुत ज्यादा खुश नजर दिखाई दे रहे हो आप. उस फोटो को देखो, उस इमेज को देखो जहाँ पे आप हंस रहे हो. यू नो, यू आर एंजॉयिंग योर लाइफ लाइक एनीथिंग. वाओ, अमेजिंग. नो स्ट्रेस, नो टेंशन, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, नथिंग. just and just happiness, smile, love. It's amazing. Wow. Just see all those pictures. Just try to remember all those moments of your life. Now just be cool for the next few seconds. Just be cool. Just be relaxed. Just be relaxed. अपनी बॉडी को थोड़ा सा ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Just relax your body. Relax your body. Relax. 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 Just be relaxed. Now, just join your both the hands. Join your both the hands. Just don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Just join your both the hands. And just from the bottom of your heart, अपने दिल से भगवान को कहो, Thank you God for this wonderful life. Thank you God for this wonderful life. Thank you भगवान, हमें इतनी अच्छी लाइफ दी है, हमें इतने अच्छे पेरेंट्स दिए हैं, हमें इतनी अच्छी फैमिली दी है, हमें इतने अच्छे दोस्त दिए हैं. इन सभी चीज़ों के लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving all the things in my life. ये जो सारी चीज़ें आपने मुझे दी है, इसके लिए बहुत आपका शुक्रिया करता हूँ. I am really very happy. Just say in your mind, चीज़ों को अपने माइंड में रिपीट करो. भगवान को थैंक यू कहो, फैमिली को थैंक यू कहो, अपने हस्बैंड को, अपने वाइफ को, अपने बच्चों को, अपने फ्रेंड्स को, सभी को थैंक यू कहो, अपने टीचर्स को, थैंक यू कहो, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, एवरीबॉडी से थैंक्स टू देम, और भगवान को भी थैंक यू कहो कि इतना अच्छा लाइफ आपको मिला है। थैंक यू भगवान, ये स्माइल आपने मेरे चेहरे पे दी। थैंक यू भगवान, आपने मुझे इतने सारे नए लोगों से मिलाया। थैंक यू भगवान, आपने मुझे इतना अच्छा दिन दिया। आज का जो दिन है मेरे लाइफ का बेस्ट दिन होने वाला है। टुडे इज द बेस्ट डे ऑफ माय लाइफ। आज का दिन मेरे लाइफ का बहुत अच्छा दिन होने वाला है। जस्ट नाउ जस्ट be cool, be relax, be relax, be relax. Now just don't open your eyes, guys. Don't open your eyes. Just wrap your both the hands and just cover your face. Just massage your face. Just massage your face. Just massage your face like this, okay? And just open your eyes slowly, slowly, slowly. Just open your eyes slowly, slowly, slowly. Wow. How was the experience, guys? How was the experience? How was the experience, guys? Yeah. Okay, it was good. Awesome. Thank you. Good. Yes, superb, superb. Good, good, good. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. So now practice whatever videos we have, listen today. जो भी हमने videos देखे हैं, समझे हैं, just practice all those videos, practice all those words. Okay. We are going to meet tomorrow early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Okay. Be, अच्छी ड्रेस पहन के आना सभी लोग, ठीक है? बिकॉज हम वीडियोज ऑन करेंगे सबके एंड विल टेक वन फोटो, ओके, and will distribute all your certificates and all tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is the one more best day of our life. Okay, yes, then we'll decide what is next. Okay, so yes, thank you Aarti. Yes, so guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care and God bless you. Enjoy your day. This is the best day of your life. Come on, enjoy your day. Okay, so bye bye, take care and God bless you. Thank you so much.